Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from SushiSwap to Kraken using stablecoins. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the SushiSwap website. Log into your SushiSwap account using your wallet. Once logged in, ensure you have stablecoins available in your SushiSwap wallet. In the menu, locate and select the pool option. From there, click on Withdraw to access your liquidity positions. Choose the stablecoin liquidity position you wish to withdraw from. Enter the amount of stablecoins you want to withdraw. Confirm the transaction details are correct before proceeding. Click on the Approve button to allow SushiSwap to withdraw your funds. Wait for the approval transaction to complete. After approval, click on Withdraw to finalize your request. Confirm the withdrawal transaction in your wallet. Once the transaction is completed, check your SushiSwap wallet balance. Next, open your Kraken account in a new browser tab. Log into your Kraken account securely. Navigate to the funding section of your Kraken account. Select Deposit to find your stablecoin options. Choose the stablecoin you withdrew from SushiSwap. Follow the instructions provided to generate a deposit address. Copy the deposit address carefully. Return to your SushiSwap interface. Initiate a transfer of your stablecoins to the Kraken deposit address. Paste the Kraken deposit address into the appropriate field. Double-check the address for accuracy to avoid any losses. Confirm the transfer and finalize the transaction. Monitor your Kraken account to ensure the funds are credited successfully. Once confirmed, you can trade or withdraw the stablecoins as desired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.